How to cook food in Sons of the Forest. So there are two main methods that you do this. So first one is the basic fire. So use this when you are starving and need to eat immediately. So just basically grab a stick in your inventory and just place it on the ground by clicking on left click. So look at the ground, click on left click, and you could also add another one so that it would last longer. Then light it up with your lighter by tapping on or holding on to E on your keyboard, just like that. What you want to do is interact with it by holding E. So look at it, then hold E, then add whatever food that you want. So you could also add a cooking pot. So try to add the cooking pot right here. And if you look at or hover to this gear icon, you will see some recipes that you could do, like boiled meat, chicken noodle soup, cooked ramen noodles, and a bunch of other stuff. But what you also can do is remove this cooking pot and interact with the fire again, and just basically add your meat directly to the fire. So let's say I want to add raw meat right there. And what you want to do now is just wait for it to cook. So if it's still red, it means that it's raw. But if the color turns to like a brownish color, you can now eat it without damaging your health. So once the meat is fully cooked, you will see that the color has changed just like that. So you could either place it in your inventory by tapping on E on your keyboard, or just basically eating it directly from the fire if you hold your E. So as you can see, just like that. Now the next thing that you can do is by using a drying rack. So you can use this drying rack to stockpile food or when you're exploring caves. So first is open up your handbook, then go to the storage section right here, then up to number 5 right there, and you will see the drying rack right here. Click on that, then place a drying rack wherever you want. I'm just going to place it right here and place the materials for it. And as you can see, there's a prompt where you can interact with it. So hold it. And now you could add fish or meat right there. So whatever you want, basically, just like that. Just wait until the items right here turn like a darkish color, which basically means that it has finished the drying process. So dried meat essentially never rots, so you can carry stacks of it safely. And that is how I basically cook food in Sons of the Forest.